Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to make fish roll with sliced bread. This is a simple and easy recipe to make. You will definitely enjoy it. Add the mackerel fish and your desired spices. I added pepper, seasoning cubes and salt. Add a little water, then steam for a minute. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to see more of these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Flip the fish to the other side and steam for another minute. Remove the fish from the heat and let it cool down. Debone the fish. Add a little oil to the pan, heat it up, then add the chopped onions. Fry it for 30 seconds, then add the fish. Add your spices, pepper, salt, seasoning cube. Fry it for a while, then take it off to cool. The next part is the dough, and the sliced bread is serving as the dough. Get some slices of bread, any bread you enjoy eating, then roll it out. Gently roll it out. Brush some water on the edges of the bread. Add the fish sauce and roll the bread. Apply water at the edges to help the bread stick together. Break an egg and beat it, then brush the egg on the bread. You need some breadcrumbs. You can easily make it at home by just grounding some dry bread. Dip the bread in the breadcrumbs. Repeat the same process for the others. Preheat the oil. Once the oil gets heated, add the fish roll to it. Fry the fish roll until golden brown. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and leave a comment.